What's going on YouTube? Y'all already know, man. Another day, another dollar, man. I ain't making no money off this shit. But on some real shit, man, we got a long road to go, man. And y'all pretty much following me through this whole build. So today's another day, and we're gonna the FedEx, man. I know y'all be doing this shit too when y'all see FedEx. Yeah, he's slowing down. Well, anyways, hopefully I got some more parts that I can show y'all. But pretty much today what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna do the bushing, the new FlowFlex Polybushing install on Subframe, and we're gonna probably take a crack at doing the Polybushings on the new rear control arms. Let me show y'all. We're gonna be using the Movitech Supreme parts from rockauto.com. Yo, Rock Auto is key to doing these models. So we're gonna be using these bad boys right here. These are off the IS300, so they're kind of an upgrade to the steel plating ones. Hey, my man, FedEx. You already know when y'all got a cool relationship with your postal people, they see you, they say what's up. So, anyways, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it is what it is. So yeah, alright. So pretty much follow me. Here we go. Alright, real quick, so let's go ahead and dismantle some of this, some of the subframe, so we can start getting at all these bushings. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be removing the lower control arm. We'll go ahead and unbolt the sway bar off the lower control arm. We're gonna remove all these the traction arms. We're gonna remove that, and we're gonna end up removing the upper control arms. So I'm pretty much gonna just show you how to do it. It's gonna be the same procedure if you had it mounted inside the car.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
A place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own when I'm alone. My love is gone.
Harbor Freight, Harbor Frizzy Fosheezy. We're gonna use the triangle part of the plate because it actually gives us the best area to hold the bar without it tilting on us while we're pressing. So let's move this in a little bit. We'll place it here, and what I end up using, I use a 22mm socket, impact socket, snap-on. It doesn't matter if it's snap-on, but it is, and I don't care to use it for this. Boom, boom, boom. We are going to, it's about center. We're going to start pressing this thing down. I got some good pressure on it right now. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna heat things up. So there you are, easy peasy.
So anyways, this is pretty much how I got it set up right here, and we're gonna press this bushing out so we can put some poly shit in it. There it goes. Close and personal. You ain't very often you get to see this shit. I need to put my needle on this shit so stop moving. Yo, what's going on YouTube, bro? We are on the path to greatness, man. We got something that came in the mail. We got some lube. Yeah, we got some lube, man. So this is the Formula 5 Prelude. So this is what I'm gonna use to do the install on all the Polybushings. Now I'm using Flowflex Polybushings, and some of the upper control arm bushings in the rear are actually from Strong Flex. Now, why did I go with Flowflex? I don't know. Somebody told me that it was a good company. They were the only ones that were making good poly bushings for the rear end. So when I was there, I'm really sporadic. I purchased everything that they have for the IS300. So that's why I have Flowflex bushings. So I'm not sponsored by them. They ain't give me no discounts or nothing. As a matter of fact, I paid extra in shipping because this stuff came from the UK. So we will see. We will experiment. We're gonna test out how well these bushings do. And then once I'll do a review after I got at least 6 months of use onto the bushings and how they hold up. So we'll see. Lube. Alright, I'm just playing. So, alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm pretty much gonna show you how to do the inner bushings on this right here. This is the traction arm, the lower one, and the inner bushing. So I'm gonna show you how you do the installation with these Flowflex bushings, or any poly bushings for the matter of fact. So after you've already pressed the parts out, you're gonna have the bushings here. It's a 2-part bushing. You are going to lube the inside here. Lube it good. All right, there is gonna be excess lube, which is never a problem. So you're gonna remove the center pin out the way. You're gonna press them in by hand, like so. Same as the other side. You can pop those bad boys in by hand, like that. Whatever excess lubrication will pop out the center, and then you would add some more in here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, there you go, real POV. All right, so now you take the pin, place the pin here, and it's really, you could probably do it by hand, but why do it by hand if you have the tools to do it properly? Boom, boom. And there you go. It's in there. All right. Where's the towel? Just